What's going on, BH Army? Welcome back to my channel, and as you can tell by the title of this video, I will be showcasing my BMW E90 build in just 10 minutes. This is where I made a montage of my E90 modification and condensed it into one. So sit back, relax and enjoy this video. So as you can see on your screen guys, this is my BMW E90 318D 2-litre diesel, stock with not many modifications, and the only modifications I did do but I didn't make a video on was getting the windows tinted and also placing the stock OEM alloys to these 17-inch alloys. Moving on to the first mod that I did was the LED number plate lights. This, as you can see, was very bright to my surprise, considering I did buy it from eBay for a cheap price. I'm guessing it was made from China, possibly. This is where I installed the legendary sweeping side indicators, and they came smoked, which meant that they were tinted from manufacturer, and it gave the car a stealthy look. Back to when I installed these wind deflectors, I think they make your car look more sporty and more elegant at the same time. Then I decided to focus on the appearance of the vehicle. Here I had the MV2 black M Sport alloys. So one of the biggest projects on an E90 318D was indeed the back box delete. So this is where I decided to install a performance air filter made by K&N. It is a nightmare to install. I don't know what BMW was thinking with this type of engine, but at the same time I cannot complain because this is the best engine that you can have on a BMW. Very reliable. Did a resonator delete, as you can see here. If you listen carefully, that definitely made a difference to the sound of my car. Here I decided to paint my brake calipers Ferrari red, which, as you can see from the results of this video, it is amazing. Made my car look so much better. Got rid of the stock SE steering wheel and replaced it with the M Sport LCI steering wheel. And I mean, the video speaks for itself how beautiful and how much difference it made. Wait, if you're enjoying this video, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel and hit the notification icon if you want to stay up to date with my content. If you don't like this video, you just proved you're not a car enthusiast. So yeah, back to the video. Here is where I started changing my rear bumper from stock SE model to M Sport, and it definitely changed the whole look of the car. I decided to change the gear knob. It was a bit boring, stock SE. I needed something to match the steering wheel. Here is where I upgraded the tail lights, and to upgrade the tail lights you need to upgrade the tailgate boot. Here is where I got bored of the MV2 black alloys and decided to upgrade them. 19-inch Momo alloys. I got that for a bargain, considering the original price being over 1k. This just made my car look crazy. One of the best E90s out there. I installed these aftermarket Angel Eye headlights on my E90. They look incredible. I decided it was time to upgrade the interior of the car, as well as looking after the outside. It's important to look after the inside because that's where you'll be spending most of your time. So I got rid of them stock SE fabric seats and replaced them with the M Sport leather seats. With the leather door cards included, it just finishes off the interior of the vehicle. It just looks incredible, elegant, and gives that luxury feeling as well as a sporty feeling. This is where I installed the M style lip spoiler, and the video speaks for itself. It made a big difference to my E90. It looks stealthy, mean, sporty. This is another beautiful mod that you can do on your E90, which is the M style side mirrors. Here I show how to install them correctly. Last but not least was one of my biggest projects that I did, which was installing the LCI front M Sport bumper and the LCI bonnet, which just finished off the car. And as you can see by the videos, it looks incredible. As many of you may be aware that I no longer have this E90. Since then, I'm much better. Just make sure you guys drive safe out there and enjoy the ride whilst you can. After being in the pit stop for 8 months, I finally bought my new daily, and I will be making a video on it very soon, so stay tuned for that. And yes, we're making a comeback. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe to my channel, and it's good to be back.